So this is the file that we've been working on and it works fine, but let's say that you want to add or use multiple profiles while running the same or multiple bots at the same time. The way that you can do this is quite simple. First, you're going to want to add a parameter, profile name, and debug port to the class init function. DrissionPage has a profile function called set_user, and so you can add self.options set user profile name. Also add self.options set local port with debug port as the parameter. If we don't add set local port with debug port, there's going to be issues with browser control. Make a new file with the same directory. From original crawly, because that's the file name, import crawly the goat or your class name. Also, from concurrent.futures, import thread pool executor. Create a function run_bot with the parameter profile_name. We can print some debug, and then create a variable bot, which is crawly the goat, initiated with profile name and debug port. Then we can navigate to the first tab to example.com to show that it worked. Now, in the main function, create a list with tuples with the name of profile and the debug port. These port names can be most likely any number, but if they aren't working, try another one. With thread pool executor of max workers equal to the length of profiles as executor, create a list called futures, and in a for loop, for profile and port and profiles, futures.append the actions of executor.submit, run bot, and profile and port as the arguments. Then, for future and futures, try to call the result of each run and print exception if there's any errors. Now you can run the file and you can see both browsers have separate profiles. You can also manually log in to import a profile. If you change the debug port, it'll clear the profile, but if you want to go back, just use the same port again. If there's any questions, just ask and I will make sure to answer them. Alright, that's it. Bye bye.